कि साधना को शक्ति मिल जाए बहुत है, साधना को शक्ति मिल जाए बहुत है और भावना को भक्ति मिल जाए बहुत है। झूठ के इस दौर में माहौल में सत्य को अभिव्यक्ति मिल जाए बहुत है। ऑल माई सीनियर एंड जूनियर स्कॉलर फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I salute you in this valedictory session of this multidisciplinary international conference on the topic recent transformation in the social sciences, management science and engineering. I welcome and congratulate you all. I congratulate all the coordinators, chairpersons, chief guests, senior professors, research scholars, contributors and students who participated in this conference. Almost all the research presenters presented their research papers efficiently and effectively. But everyone knows that there are always chances for improvements in the research work. Here, I want to say that education doesn't mean only the bookish knowledge. Education means complete development of human beings, and getting education is not limited only for getting a job but also to inculcate high quality values in society like respect towards parents and teachers. It also includes making the students self-dependent through skill development and keeping them away from the evil of drug addiction. Over the past 3 days, we have witnessed an exchange of ideas, a celebration of diversity and a deep commitment to the pursuit of knowledge. Our discussions, disciplines and cultures are reflecting the true spirit of international cooperation. We have explored high quality research, innovative solutions and built meaningful relationships that will shape the future of our respective fields. In this challenging time, the importance of coming together to address global issues cannot be underestimated. This conference has provided a platform for dialogue, understanding and cooperation. It has strengthened the belief that we are united by a common goal, that is to make the world a better place through our collective efforts. In the end, I want to say, as we all know, that not a single university has been established in Port Blair yet. ICRT team chairperson Professor Dr. Sandeep Simarji has taken a great initiative and has corresponded with the central government for establishment of a university in Port Blair. We have full hope and expectation that in near future a big university will be started here with the permission of the central government, so that the youth of this region will be provided proper opportunities to build up their future. For this, we express our heartfelt gratitude to Professor Dr. Sandeep Simarji that by organizing such a big multidisciplinary international conference here, he has addressed the need of education of the people living here to the central government. Dr. Sandeep Simar's personality has emerged not at national level but at international level too. We wish him all the best in carrying forward this noble cause. A special thanks to Dr. H.K. Sharma, Principal Jawaharlal Nehru Rajkiya Mahavidyalaya Port Blair, and Conference Chief Patron Professor Dr. Aruna Ansalji, Chief Guest, Coordinators, Chairpersons, Organizers, all paper presenters and their students for their cooperation. Thank you all and one. और अंत में मैं 4 लाइनें आपके लिए प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ कि साधना को शक्ति मिल जाए बहुत है, साधना को शक्ति मिल जाए बहुत है और भावना को भक्ति मिल जाए बहुत है। झूठ के इस दौर में माहौल में सत्य को अभिव्यक्ति मिल जाए बहुत है। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।